his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him.
Okay, so here is the horrible, oh my gosh, it's so bad. Okay, this is the back. Not the worst. Candy. Doors always have trash. And then this is the third row. It's down right now. I have to take some stuff out, but mostly soccer stuff. So I'm gonna start with taking all the trash out, and then we'll vacuum. Okay, I have a basket that I'm gonna put all of our junk in. I can probably use this.
And I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. All the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want.
Okay, so I came to the place to vacuum my car because my vacuum wasn't gonna be able to pick up all of the crumbs, so I just want to go ahead and just do it faster.
My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I want it now, 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 now. Yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you
want. Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days.
Okay, so I bought these, I don't know, they're like napkins, I guess. I don't know, they're towels, 75 towels. I found them at the dollar store, and they're supposed to be lint free, and they're like a thicker material. So I'm gonna see if I use this to wipe down this since it's so dusty. Can you guys see? There we go.
Nights won't stop for traffic lights, and I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Bodies move to the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. So let us dance this night away.
Sweating like a pig. Okay, we're almost done. Not really, but
be right by your side, cause I know that this is right. Don't be shy, just get to know me. We can take this somewhere else. You and me can find ourselves. Stop pretending we are lonely. I can't call your bluff, cause I know that this is love. Can't pretend that you don't feel it. People think that you missed. I know you can't resist. Let me make your life easy. I wanna be your company. I wanna be your company. I wanna be your company. Think of the things we do. If it was only me and you. If it was only me and you.
Okay, I got these things from the dollar store. I figured I'd just try to see what it's like, if they work. These are like supposed to be the small space, you know, air fresheners. And then I got this. I'm just gonna put this underneath a seat. Hopefully, I don't know, I'm gonna ask my husband if it can spill, but I don't know, I'm gonna try it. Gonna put one under there. Okay, so I think I'm gonna put it here somewhere. I'm sure it won't last long, but for $1, what can you expect? You think it'll fall over? Probably. Oh, I could put it in the cup holder back here. That works. Okay.